Hey guys, what's going on? Me and a few of the boys have just come down today to do some work on my 1982 Ford Capri. Sorry, you can look in the garage right now, it's a mess which I'm going to clean up. But yeah, I thought just for the first video, I've been building this car for about 6 months now, and we're just coming down to do some work, so I'll show you what's going on. Yeah, just spray those bits and then obviously that side as well.
Yeah, but how's it going to run off the generator if you need to use the welder? Or do you not need it?
No, I'm getting metal compound to fill in the inside to watertight it basically. Yeah, I'll get it out in a minute anyway. Let me mix this shit up quick.
Is this like stuff?
The garage is dirty. It's dirty.
Why don't we clean it like done last time? It'll last all of 5 minutes again.
Yeah, we come down, done some work, and it was like this. Oops.
Literally, we made it spotless in there, absolutely spotless in there. Come down, worked on. I think we worked on this for about 3-4 hours, and
Yeah, that was it, wasn't it?
that's what it turned into.
Just like, oh, sorry, it's empty.
Where's my scraper?
Down there.
Where? Oh yeah. Oh, how long's that been outside for? For everyone, I'll dodge your fucking work. Right.
More little fog
What the fuck's the lid in that? What have you done to it, Ollie?
I fucking love it.
So, right, metal compound. Excuse me, my little love boy. That side has got a light colours already built, but this one's all rusted and bare, so I'm just welded in some plates to basically make one up. Yeah, we'll do these, but this needs fucking respraying because I've just got it wet. Basically, we come down today, as you've seen in the footage, and we've welded in the light brackets, ready for me to wire in the lights. I just basically grinded it and welded it in both spots and underneath here. These ones are on, ready for the new caps and covers and lights to go in. We've sprayed bits that I've rebuilt with fiberglass, because when I got the car, all of the bits like across here, this was just a massive hole. Parts in the body bit here was just a hole, and loads of the metal was just had holes everywhere. There's still a lot of work fiberglass to do, as if you look round on this side as well, there's a lot of work to do still, a lot of patches, and I will get around to sorting it, but it's all down to just giving it a sand down and bodging it, giving it a can spray over. The interior's come along alright. It's a bit of a mess in there at the moment, but I've got the bits ready to go on. The switches and everything will be going in on a welded plate I'll be putting in. Got the new brakes discs to go in. They need a bit of a bleed, because as probably everyone knows on Capris, they're very slow on braking. Well, they don't brake at all. The engine's been fully rebuilt that I've done myself. That's going. There's just a bit, it's not starting properly. It fires up and dies. There's a bit of compression problem I need to sort out at the moment. But all in all, it's going together well, and once it's finished, I shall post a video. Give us a subscribe. I can't say it. Give me a like, subscribe please, much appreciated. Follow the links just down below here to my Instagram, Facebook. You can look at the pictures and how the build's been going so far, and I shall see you guys then.